The first thing I want to show you is my real channel data, because that's what actually matters. In the last 28 days alone, this channel generated 247,441 views, gained almost 3,000 new subscribers, and brought in just under $1,000 in revenue without ads, sponsorships, or any kind of promotion. That's with the channel sitting at around 32,000 subscribers and only long-form videos. No shorts, no face, just structured storytelling content. To give you more context, 2 of my recent uploads performed especially well. One video crossed 38,000 views in a short period and generated a few $100s on its own. Another one passed 52,000 views and continues to bring in daily revenue. Nothing viral in the millions yet, but extremely consistent performance, which is exactly what you want when building a scalable channel. The growth is steady, the views are predictable, and the system works. Now let me explain what this channel actually is. The format is collapsed survival storytelling. The videos drop the viewer directly into a situation where normal life has already broken down, power is gone, systems have failed, people are scared, and the story is never about heroes or experts. It's about normal people trying to make the right decisions when everything around them is falling apart. What makes this niche powerful is that it doesn't rely on teaching survival skills. It relies on immersion. The viewer isn't watching to learn how to survive, they're watching to imagine themselves inside the situation. That's the difference. And the reason these channels explode is not because of the topic itself, but because of how the videos are structured and produced. So let's go through the exact process step by step. The first step is idea generation. These ideas are not random, they are built around realistic scenarios people already fear or think about. Grid failures, blackouts, shortages, crime spikes, social collapse. Instead of guessing ideas, you either use AI or real platforms where people are already asking these questions. For AI, I mainly use ChatGPT. The key is not asking for video ideas, but guiding it properly. I use prompts that force the AI to generate scenarios, not tips. For example, prompts that ask for survival situations told from a first-person perspective, or moments where a single decision changes everything. You can control how many ideas it gives you and refine them until one immediately stands out. If you don't want to use AI for ideas, Reddit and Quora work just as well. These platforms are full of real people asking real questions about survival, fear, collapse, and uncertainty. You scroll, look for posts with lots of comments, and use those discussions as inspiration. You never copy anything. You just extract the core idea and rebuild it into your own story. Once you have the idea, the next step is the script. This is where most people mess up. If you ask AI for a generic script, it will sound robotic and boring. As the fix is structure. I use a prompt that forces the script to be written in a very specific tone, short sentences, immersive language, no filler, no greetings, no explanations. The script needs to sound like a story unfolding in real time. I also control the length inside the prompt. If I want a short video, I set a lower word count. If I want something longer, I tell the AI to split the script into chapters, each with its own word count. That keeps the pacing tight and prevents rambling. After generating the script, I paste it into Google Docs. This step is simple but important. I scan for small grammar issues, repeated words, or awkward phrasing. I don't rewrite the script, I just clean it. The goal is speed, not perfection. Once the script is ready, we move to video generation. For this format, I use a tool that turns scripts into animated storytelling videos with drawn visuals. Inside the platform, I select script mode and paste the full script. Then I enable the option that adds colored graphics and illustrations, because that's what keeps the video visually engaging without overcomplicating anything. I set the video orientation to horizontal, choose a male voice, and disable background music because I prefer adding my own later if needed. The duration is based on the script length. Then I generate the video. The tool automatically creates visuals that match the narration, which saves an insane amount of time compared to manual editing. Once the video is generated, I preview it quickly to make sure everything flows correctly. If something feels off, I regenerate that section or slightly tweak the script and rerun it. This process is fast once you've done it a few times. After that comes the thumbnail. For thumbnails, I don't overthink it. I use AI image generation with a fixed prompt structure. I paste the video script into the prompt so the image matches the story's tone. Then I generate multiple versions until I get one that feels intense and clear, high contrast, simple visuals, and strong emotion. If the first one isn't perfect, I just run the prompt again. Then I handle the description. I use a simple structure that summarizes the story without giving it away. No keyword stuffing, no fluff, just a clear explanation of what the viewer is about to experience. Finally, I upload the video. Title, description, thumbnail, publish. That's it. This entire process is repeatable. That's why the channel keeps growing. The last 28 days alone brought in nearly 250,000 views and steady revenue, and the system doesn't rely on luck or viral hits. It relies on structure. If you follow these exact steps, idea selection, structured scripting, AI video generation, simple thumbnails, and consistent uploads, you can build the same type of channel, not overnight but predictably, and that's the real advantage here.